Hello students, today we'll be saying Python practical number 2. So let us start how to start the notebook. So first press window button, type Jupyter. So for this you have to install Python and Anaconda like Anaconda distributor. Then this app Jupyter Notebook will be available in your desktop. So once you hit this app, it will load the kernel and in the browser Jupyter Notebook will be open on localhost server. So in this, we don't need all this. We'll minimize this. We will go to new. We'll make a new folder of our name. So I'm making a folder of DSC name. And now in this folder, again new and new notebook I will be. So once you hit this new notebook, in a new tab, an untitled notebook will open. And now we can start working in Jupyter Notebook. So first I'll be making the template in the Jupyter Notebook. So my template will be uh, the name of the practical. So I'll mark down this or escape M you can press. And here you can use hash to control the size of the heading. And the heading I'm writing is practical 2. Once you hit shift enter, so this becomes the heading. Now in a new cell, again I will be marked down using markdown escape M and with more smaller size. So this is the last limit. So more small size, I'll be writing the name of the department and it will be displayed like this. So on created, go and double click this and the same height you want to use to add some more details. Copy this, enter, just keep on pasting. I want to add roll number, my details I want to show. Then the date which I'm doing is performing experiment. So that you can choose. So once you run this cell, shift enter, so your details will be. Now next, I want to write the title of the experiment. So for writing the title of experiment, again I am marking down the cell escape and here I am using block code. Shift the sign operator space and I'm writing my title of the experiment. So the title is write a Python program where you take the input of temperature in Celsius and print the value Kelvin and Fahrenheit. This is the title. So I've typed this. Now if I run this, shift enter. So this becomes a block code. Now in this cell, now we'll be starting writing the program. So I'm taking a variable C, declaring a variable C where I'm taking the input because the question says take the input from the user. If you don't want to take the input from the user, you can declare the value of degree Celsius in the variable C you can store and you can use. So I'm taking float in. So the user can enter the value in decimal also. So float, inside float, input, and inside this I will be writing the thing which will be visible to the user. For example, enter the temperature in degree Celsius. So this will be visible to the user on the output screen. So if I run this, shift enter. So this comes on the output, enter the temperature in degree Celsius, and here user can write any floating value 20.33. So if you take int input, user can enter only integer value, rounded off values. If you take float input, user can enter the decimal places value. So this is executed. Now next, this is not the thing which we need. So now I'm taking a variable k, where I am doing the conversion of Celsius plus 273.15. So this value, the CK value will be taken from here, which user is giving. It will add 273.15 and it will store in K. And if you print this, the value will be displayed. Print. So this is the output statement in Python, print statement. Here you can, inside the quotes, you can write temperature in Kelvin is, and go outside the quote, put a comma and call the variable where this answer is stored. So the answer is stored in the variable k. So I will call ko. And if I execute this, it will ask me enter the value, enter the temperature in degrees Celsius. So I enter a value, floating value to 20.1. And once I enter this 20.1, this will go here and see it will add with 273.15. It will get stored here and it will be printed. The temperature in Kelvin is, so this will be printed as it is, and this answer will be displayed. So here you can see temperature in Kelvin is 293.25. Oh, you can also write the formula in this print statement. So if you want to reduce this line, you can just cut this and you can write the formula here directly. E is equal to C plus 273.15. 20.1 same value I'm taking. So here it is throwing error because the keyword k, it is not defined. Okay. So here you directly write it in this form, C plus 273. Run this again 20.1. So it will give you. So formula can be written separately or it can be together. Other method is by using f string. In f string we here write f, so this becomes f string. And inside this we can use a placeholder. Here a placeholder, and we can write this formula inside the placeholder. And this comma will be removed, this extra white space. Here I can also write the unit key. So it will be again doing the same task. Let us execute. So same value I'm taking 0.1. So enter here. So temperature in Kelvin is 293.23 K. So this placeholder is doing the calculating part, converting the temperature to Kelvin, and this remaining part gets printed as it is. Similarly, you have to do for Fahrenheit. So I hope that you can try and test at your end.